In this video, I show you how to fix FB season expired. Please log in again problem. For fixing this problem, step 1, check your Facebook app is up to date. For checking this, go to Play Store. Now search for Facebook. Click on Facebook. Up to date your Facebook app if available in update version. Now go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for Facebook app. Facebook. Click on it. Now click on force stop and click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache, then click on manage space, then click on delete. Now open Facebook app. Now log into your account. Now I hope that this method fix season expired. Please log in again problem on Facebook app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.